How to enable dark mode on DeepSeek. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your DeepSeek application and then tap on the top left corner. After that, from the bottom left, go to your profile icon. Now, in this app section, go to color scheme. There are basically three options: system, light, and dark. System means whatever the theme in your system, the theme will be applied to your application. But if you want to enable dark mode specifically on the app, simply select dark and then select done. Now, as you can see, the app is in dark mode now, regardless of what the system is in. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.